So thank you, Pekka. Thank you for joining this interview. Can you say in a few words who you are, which organization you represent, and what your role is in the show project and at the Tampere demonstration site?
Yes. So my name is Pekka Eloranta. I'm coming from a company called Sitowise. I'm a leading consultant in the company. In the show project, I'm the coordinator of the Finnish activities, and at the same time, I am the leader of the satellite sites, 6 of them all over Europe, and also helping them to proceed properly.
Great, thank you. And can you tell me a bit more about the pilot you're running in Tampere? Can you tell me a bit more about the area and about the city itself?
Yes. So Tampere is situated 200 kilometers north from Helsinki, the city of Helsinki, which is our capital. And in Tampere, we have the Hervanta suburb as our test area. It has 30,000 inhabitants. And we will provide feeder transport services to our new tram line with the help of automated vehicles. We will have several alternatives, and we will start with Toyota Pro Ace vehicles, which are diesel engine vehicles, but then we will, in the springtime, we will also use electric shuttles, and we have by the end of 2023, we have plans to enlarge the fleet so that we will have several, let's say up to 7 perhaps, shuttles, electric shuttles.
Great, sounds ambitious. What do you think is special about the Tampere site?
Well, we have challenging weather. So it may be up to minus 30 degrees below zero. And you can imagine that it causes challenges for automated vehicles. That's one of the reasons we wanted to start with the Toyota Pro Ace vehicles, but we will continue towards electric vehicles. But the challenge may be icy roads, no lane markings, poor visibility, drifting snow, temperature which is very, very cold, and if you have a slope, so also those are challenging because icy roads are not that easy to drive. So these are the big things. Of course, one of the interesting things is that we have developed a very intelligent digital twin, so that before going to the, let's say, to the physical environment, so you can test everything. You can drive the vehicles in digital twin. You can plan, let's say, the 5G. We are using 5G networks, so 5G base stations, lighting systems, short range communication systems, traffic lights, and that kind of things. So you can plan everything and test everything, and you can even see what kind of a combinations of these things are expensive ones and which are the economical ones. So you can do a lot of things before going to the field. So that's one of the things. So big challenges and big, let's say, things that are different from the others are winter conditions and very, very intelligent digital twin, and of course the capabilities to maneuver in harsh conditions. So these are big things, and of course then additionally to create the properly working public transport system where each bits and pieces are integrated so that we can have totally seamless service.
Great, sounds very interesting. Many challenges, but also very interesting digital opportunities in Tampere. To finish the interview, how do you see the longer term deployment of connected cooperative and automated vehicles in Tampere?
Well, I would say that we have in the show project, we are doing piloting and demos. But in the longer term, what we aim at is to create totally user-friendly, seamless, and also sustainable public transport service, which is using the new tram line as a kind of a backbone. And it should be so attractive that people are voluntarily leaving their cars and changing to public transport. You know, in Tampere, the city center is between 2 big lakes, and it will be easily congested if too many cars enter the city area. So we have practical challenges. And that's why, let's say, public transport system as such needs to be very effective. And that's one of the big goals and objectives of the city. So in the bigger picture, we are starting to build a wall where SOU is one of the bricks in this big wall. And we are moving towards the automated future, if you dare to say that.
Great. Many thanks for explaining the Tampere side to us, Pekka.
Thank you, Peter. You're welcome.